Today, young, old, rich, poor, they all suffer. Most will. In the developed countries, say that the cancer can be treated and at the end, people are dying. The statistics are sick about 5,000 people in Khorasan. Every year, 45% of them die within a year. By checking the pulse of human disease, Dr. Hashim inserts correct diagnosis of which he is ill. He says that made the medicine of chemistry, one treats the body and there are other harms. Herb, natural medicine does not give an adverse effect.
Мактоолордун баардыгы Аллага болсун. Биз базовый
All good wishes for Allah. My profession is biochemist. I treat patients before therapy. Other doctors to treat histology. The medicines that I take do not give negative actions of human body.
Даже токсичный действиясы жок да.
Dr. Hashim did not causing cancer cells to successfully treat cancer and swelling through the allocation of cancer cells from the human body. A patient, Asanbekova, ill cancer of the uterus, and in the end she could not walk. And she had found his address on television and she went to see him treated. 2012, I got cancer of the cervix cancer. There I was diagnosed for the cervix cancer. I got 28 times the beam and 4 chemistry. Then I got better and after 2.5 months I got sick again and as a result I could not go on dyspnea. No doctors could not put me to the correct diagnosis. Several times I went there too and doctors could not put me a correct diagnosis. After I knew about Hashim on TV and decided to go to him. To tell the truth, he treated me about 6 months. After I left, I felt very good. I wish his success. At the beginning, we started to treat cervical cancer. It was developed metastasis of liver, colon, and rectum, and came to lung. With the first treating cervical liver and intestines, and in the end gave an injection to the lung. And cancer cells are released from the lungs. After a year, and she has no symptoms of disease. She is Guljamal Cherikova, 52-year-old. She has cancer of the uterus. I came here with uterine cancer diagnosis. I was in the clinic Urfa and they sent me to the oncology. I did not go there. I came to Hashim. He treated me 2.5 months. Then I was in the hospital Harmony and went colposcopy. There doctor said you are fine and I talked about Hashim.
Бул аял химиялык курстан өтпөгөндүгүнөн, өтпөгөндүктөн
The patient did not receive any chemical or beam. That's why I treat her short times. Her condition is very satisfactory.
Assalamu alaikum. Yaxşımı? Senin sorunlar qanday?
When we came to his clinic, he treats 16 patients of different disease. He speaks to everyone specific attention. He explores more than 20 years. The reasons for patient. It is complex to treat the patient and separates cancer cells from the human body. It is his success.
Организмни биз ыракты бөлүп чыгарабыз. Бөлүп чыгарганда дагы хирургиялык жол менен эмес.
We separate the cancer cells without using chemicals and beam. Our medicine, all natural cure for which we are preparing themselves. Our success separates cancer cells from the human body. Yıldız is only 23 years. She has 2 children. She is sick about 7 months. Lung cancer.
Мен өзүм жөтөлүп жүргөм көптөн бери.
I coughed. I went to the hospital and was in tomography. They sent me to oncology. I was in oncology in September. I got 7 times chemistry. After that, I have no results. Doctors separated the water from the right lung. Then I came to Hashim. He began to treat me with natural medicine. Did inhalation. Here are some water isolated and they do not share. I could not walk. I had shortness for breath and now is better.
Мына жылдыздыкы бул дагы особенный бир случай, бул пациенттер ичинде мынанда томографиясында көрүнүп турат.
In Yıldız defect of the right lung. In tomography, we have seen the cancer has grown and closed the right lung. We started to treat with inhalation. Metastasis developed from the blood into the body and we began to purge. Tumor mucus completely isolated from the lungs. Baykal is allocated all of the cancer cells. Continued treatment. Adult 65 years. He was a driver from in young years. He had insomnia for many years. He had a stomach ulcer and after surgery he was treated by Hashim. I have a tumor in the stomach. The doctors operated and could not take a stomach tumor. When I came to him, I had was sick the whole body. It stated me. I had not slept and I was taking narcotic medication, pyramidol. After his treatment, I sleep well.
Келип түшкөндө бул кишиде бир топ оорулар болгон.
When he came to me, he had a lot of disease. He had a low hemoglobin, 45. Doctors cannot do the operation with low hemoglobin. He had pancreatitis. He singled out a lot of pancreatitis fluid and this appeared cancer. And he was ill, encephalitis. Doctors diagnosed with pancreatic cancer of the stomach. As a result, went metastasis to the liver. When he came to us, he had vomiting. During treatment, we removed cancer cells from the liver and stomach. He stopped vomiting. When cancer cells comes from the body and it should be rehabilitative care. Hashim treats not only oncology disease and treats cardiology and endocrinology, kidney disease.
Uykudan ойгонуп эле түштө көрүп анан дарылап калган жерибиз жок.
More than 30 years research to treat patients. I researched oncology, neurology, endocrinology, and cardiology, and therapy. We managed to open an alternative medicine. We guarantee 100%. I'll tell you about heart disease. In Germany, for the treatment of heart, put a probe. We have not put as a probe.